Hi guys, welcome to another video. I just want to show you this fidget spinner quickly, guys. Yeah, we're trying to reach a goal of 10 subscribers. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
Yeah, only 10. That's all we want. If you see my channel, please just subscribe. I really like this fidget spinner because sorry guys, because I like it. And yeah,
And this is my foot, guys.
no, we don't want to see that. Yes. And I just want to. I've got my fidget spinner, guys.
Fidget cube.
Please like and subscribe for this video. We want to reach 10 subscribers. We're already currently on 5, 6 subscribers.
I don't reach 8,000 subscribers.
No, it's just depending. We only want 10. We want this video to reach
25 subscribers.
Let's try and reach a goal of
25.
5 likes and 10 subscribers.
So 25 likes. 25 likes, guys.
Hopefully guys you like this video, and we'll see you next